Hello and welcome to Spanish Basics. In this module, I'll be speaking to you about when to use para or por. Now the topics will be these three. We'll begin with a review of for in English, and then I'll have a discussion with you on when to use para and when to use por. Now in English, there is the preposition for. In Spanish, for has two forms, para and por. Now in Spanish, depending on the usage, either para or por can mean for, by, on, through, because of, in exchange for, in order to. Now, as a generality, por typically refers to an action's cause. Para typically refers to an action's effect. So let's give you more details. These are the rules on when to use para. Use to mean in order to. For example, I run to be fit. Corro para estar en forma. Use when it refers to destination. I am leaving for San Jose. Salgo para San Jose. Use when it means intended for, as, for example, a recipient. This food is for you. Esta comida es para ti. Use when it means for the purpose of, like a goal. They are preparing for a job. Ellos se preparan para un trabajo. Use when it means in the employ of. My sister works for the school. Mi hermana trabaja para la escuela. Use when it means a specified future time, like a deadline. I need the car for Sunday. Necesito el auto para el domingo. Use to express an opinion. For me, cooking is easy. Para mí, cocinar es fácil. Now, these are some common expressions that use para. Para siempre, which is forever. Para variar, just for a change. Para qué, so that, in order that. Para qué, for that reason. Para dónde, where to. And para ti, for you. Now these are the rules on when to use por. Use when it implies an exchange for or on behalf of. For example, I bought the cherries for $5. Compré las cerezas por $5. Use when it means a period of time. He was in Mexico for 1 year. Estuvo en México por un año. Use when it means to go for example, to travel. I drove for many hours. Manejé por muchas horas. Use when it means to come for, again, travel. I came for the class. Vine por la clase. Use when it means to send for someone or something. He sent for Peter. Envió por Pedro. Use when it means motivation for doing. My desire for this job is great. Mi deseo por este trabajo es grande. Use when it means communication. I contacted Steve by text. Me comuniqué con Esteban por mensaje de texto. Now, these are some common expressions that use por. Por ejemplo, for example, por favor, please, por supuesto, of course, por ciento percent, por qué, why, por fin, finally. At this point, we're at the end of this module, but here is a refrain or a proverb for you. A diario, una manzana es cosa sana. An apple a day is a healthy thing. In other words, an apple a day keeps a doctor away. Thank you so much for watching Spanish Basics. Muchas gracias. Hasta luego.